There's Gary. What do you think of the place?
Oh, yeah, it's pretty good.
All the way around. See over in the distance there. Yeah, impressed by Mexico City so far. I thought it'd be much more intimidating than it is. Took a while to get out of the airport, but just got their authorized taxi rank and they took us right here and got in pretty easily. Got to get used to all the Spanish speaking, can use a little bit so far, but everyone talks really quickly, so it's hard to keep up a bit. Yeah, so far pretty friendly. I haven't seen any tourists around. Streets are really busy. Got some Mexican pastries from the bakery for breakfast. How is that? How's yours, David?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Some Mexican plants here. They got a cactus, and I think over there's agave, which is what tequila is made from. Huh?
Right.
And we also eat worms there. Actually, the worm of the mezcal. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
In the bottom of the bottle, we eat a lot of that kind of worm and crickets.
Nice.
And of course, guacamole. That is our one of our main food in Mexico. Not very representative in around the world, you know.
So like we said before, all of this city center here used to be a ceremonial center. Quetzalcoatl was very, very important figure.
At level, we have the last remaining ruins of the Aztec school that used to be here. However, I just want to draw your attention really quickly to that huge crack that runs along the side of the building. That is one of the last, well, not one of the last, but it's one of the most visible souvenirs, I suppose, of the earthquake that happened in '85, a huge one.
And you can see graphics on the jaw. Even they draw things on the jaw. You can see like a serpent on fire, and in the other side you can see a cartoon of an Aztec. Okay, actually the Mexican, we have that kind of.
You can see the cathedral sinking, how it's slanted. So I just at a rooftop bar in Mexico City. I think it's called La Teresa. Just having some drinks, some excessively large and girly drinks. But yeah, good view of Mexico City.
They're mezcal. It's mezcal, isn't it?
Yeah.
No?
It's basically the pre of tequila. That alert.
Do you like mezcal, Gary?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah,
so much smooth on. That's right.
That's right, mate. Yeah, it was just luck. We walked past the girl and she asked if we were on the walking tour. And we like, no, but we didn't have anything to do, so we just did it anyway. That was really good and really informative. Learned a lot about, we basically had already checked out everywhere before that, but they told us a lot more about the history and the detail. Some really interesting stuff. Learned a lot about Mexico.
What was one of the fun facts you learned, Kieran, that you liked about?
Well, they're a very brutal culture. They used to sort of cut their sacrifice and pull the heart out, still beating
To the sun god.
to the sun god to do their sacrifice they need to do. And there's a lot of interesting stuff, like the details of the architecture. A lot of snakes. They really love snakes here. It seems really safe and really interesting, and decided to explore it more. What's your favourite part of the tour?
The girl. Learning about the culture is very cool. They really seem to not be afraid of the dead. It's like a different viewpoint on people dying. Yeah, it's more celebrated.
What was your favourite bit, Gary?
I mean, getting overview of the Mexico, yeah, maybe like the city more actually.
Like churches and stuff.
Are you really glad you did the tour? What did you give it out of 10?
I feel like a solid 8.
I'll give it a 9.
Oh no.
You only get these cakes during this month of October, Day of the Dead month. So we had one of these last night, they're pretty good.
Ajá.